มาใส่สิใบเละเฟกุเล่กันหวานคลายเตอันเซ็งอาหุ่นจันนะเล่มกะโลเชรังเจ้าเล่วันนี้ซ้อมปัสริฟรายเดย์เนี่ยกันสังขารเตลากะโลหุ่นตัวกันป้ากันพูดสวกเวดอนนี่เอ็งจัดเงี้ยสุกัดเชียงแล้วว่าก็หมุดนัวละจู่ๆกันหันอะไรเงี้ยมาอินเช่นสุกันตัวตุยครบไม่เช่นจู่เรียนเด็กแต่พร้อมตัวเองก็เชียนักกินกันรอนตีหลังเจ้าหลังเอ็งจัดเงี้ยกันทาร์กันรอนตีหลังกันรอนเชียรังเจ้าOkay, you ready to pick my bitter gourd, honey?
Gonna pick bitter gourd and tomatoes.
Tomatoes, yeah. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Tomato po. Kan la chuk don. Look how pretty that crepe myrtle is.
That?
Yeah, it's it's a different kind.
Oh, it's like a bush.
Yeah, they are all different.
I see one here.
Okay.
There's one. There's a big one.
Oh, that's
See how big
a
that
big
is?
one. Let me see. Oi, lian chakung kung lutuk. Oi, tilin na law eh.
How about this one?
Okay. All right. Okay, get that one and then right here.
I didn't see it. This one?
And yes.
Oh, look, it's got a little flower in it.
Yeah, and then something else that's at the bottom.
What?
See? Something chewed on it.
Maybe it's the bunny rabbit?
The bunny rabbit? I don't know. Bunny na lo bunny. It's very bitter. How can? Let me see.
Someone liked it because I kept eating it.
Yeah, I see that.
Where'd it go? Oh, right here.
Mutiam lo. All right, yeah.
Not real big, but
But that tastes better than the big one.
What?
A whole bunch here, honey.
oh wow, look at that.
Yeah. Just pull it out. Let's see.
Look at that.
Oh,
Big Daddy.
yeah. Yeah.
Here too. Okay.
There's a few there.
Oh, I see this one right here. Oh, look at that. Wow.
Yeah, that's
Look at
big.
that.
Yeah. And
How about this?
that's a big one. Alian lutuk ve. Okay, and there's one more here.
There's 3 up here. How about this one here?
Yeah. Get them.
And I'll get this one. They're good size.
Yeah. Yeah, don't get the other one. It's still too small.
There's a little baby.
Yeah.
I'm gonna get you.
Oh man. There's a few more here.
Oh, here's one. It's good size.
Yeah. Very mature. All right.
And then there's one over there.
Mm-hmm. I don't think you can pull it from.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, okay.
And then that's it. I don't see
All right. Yeah, I think that's basically is for that. Khati zong kha kan chang kha chu ania basket khat ve kan lawa tuna chuanin kan tomato le khilaya kan dania coriander khi kan han la le ange naktu khian khwa asadon lutuka chua po chua thei don lo mela forecast hi tun lai chu kan khwa lum khop mei ba ka air quality hi thalo em boka na chuan tomato kan lo lawang the tomatoes in the pots are, honey, determined tomatoes, and once they fruit, they don't come out
Back.
anymore.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one time.
It's one time. Those are Roma tomatoes.
Someone chewed on it. Someone.
Our little bunny. Hey, tomato pakata po yan na rat nem velu to ka. Exactly.
Should I get this? I'm gonna get this.
Yes. Some ni item chu ra ve ni hei heta hianin khwalum ma chu wang chuan an chezawa.
Oh, in here.
Yeah,
Oh,
right there.
I bet it'll come right off.
Yeah, it
Watch.
will come right off.
They come
Oh,
right
look,
off.
look at that.
Oh, look at that.
A piang swal.
Bloop, 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 bloop.
These are the rest of the Roma tomatoes, except the one up with the near the tree.
Romas are tastiest, I think.
Yeah, they're very good.
They're sweet. They're kind of sweet.
Mm.
And they stay firm longer too. I'll take this
Yes.
one.
Heng ho hi kadania kumtir lampang ami khania an ro to a chuwang chuanin voin hian lak chwa vek katum boka kan sunflowers te hian ka hwan zong zong an o khat ani deuh ber mai hei.
Look how big this stalk of the sunflower. So thick and big.
Lampang hi Roma tomato boka heng hi chu determined tomato ni wang khanin voi khatan ra an top mai a hei. This is not Roma. This is beefsteak.
Beefsteak.
Yeah. Kasi kengin kakatu omanga hair ho hitu tu na hianin an run ra chewan to pani to mai. I mean the pot hair pot hi lo te lu wa chu wang chuanin kada bel to mai ni helai hi. Kumtira ka kui khanin an lo chiak nem na to ka pai ui le boxia ti khan ko ta hian ka phun vel mai me ya thabak talo ni.
Yeah.
Okay, they're still growing ma se ko ta hian lo ti chi lo le to ka lian lu to ka. Okay, I think that's it for here. Tun kum kan khom dan hi mak te wan ya khwa vot rei em a aron lumin asale thut boxia thlai te hianin an ngei lo riau maya hei kum dang ai chuanin ka tomato te po an thalo riau maya mai ro chu kan thar nem ve tho chuan ka sia ka lawm ve tho ani.
Some are beefsteak. Oh, there's some Roma here also. Okay. Yeah, these are Roma. Those are Roma. These are probably the two nicest looking.
Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna leave these, but I'll pick this one.
These two, you need to get those.
Right here?
Yeah, those
You
two.
think so?
Yeah.
Okay. Are these the hybrid?
Yes. The middle ones are the beefsteak.
Yeah, these look like Romas.
Yeah, let me see. Yeah, those are Roma. Definitely. Yeah, those are perfect.
There you go.
All right. Oh, it's gonna be so sweet.
Oh my gosh. Look how red that is.
Oh yeah, it's gonna be really super sweet.
That's gonna be sweet.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. This one on the bottom.
Yeah.
This one on the bottom.
We can wait for that. Can wait for that.
Okay, that's it then.
Yeah.
All right. Look at all these. Tomato.
tomato.
What is this, son?
These are called cilantro. In Mizo we call it dhania. So
Danya.
and then this is coriander.
Oh.
So what we need to do is we need to cut this and hang it dry. Ta hian ka marcha phun son tur kha oma phun son an chak to lu tu ka ta hian ka cilantro da na hianin kan eng lawanga. Heng zong zong hi kan chi na ni lawa ama ron tro vek khan yan nakuma po ti hian hi a chi tang hian a ron tro le mai don ni an khop mai dania hian kholuma du lawa chu wang chuan khwan lum chuanin an par vek mai a hei tuna po dania season chu zo to ni kan nga don he mai hei coriander chu ni si an na shin lai khan tam takha ka freeze boka freezer ka da chu kum chuanin kan ei thei boka nga now I have more space to plant my other vegetables. Tun lai chu khwa lum em a chuna na tho har sa khop maya ma se ka vati sham shama ka nauten idum zo vek don min ti thina adum po ka dum viau reng ani ole vo innia kan huana ta kan harvest chu hei abikin tomato tam takania hengtin kan ti don kan sau kan pa hian a chen chu ken dona tin hei kan changkha po ron ra thana chen chu chuna te kha gan han ei to zinga a then kan la tlai han then kan la boka khwalum lu tuka voi khata ti mai thei lawa eng po ni se heng zong zong hi pathian mal som na ania kan lom em a kan thora pathian in mal min soma kan la thar le zer don in kan share kan thorim na aron ni chu ni bere lom em thank you so much ka channel te lo subscribe pa lo like tu te ne na lom thu ka ron sei du a la subscribe lo le chuan lo subscribe zel don ania kan huan kan ron tilang zelang kan pai thathem ngai taka min tho pui wangin a hne na lom thu sei du boka lalpan mal som vek che uro se kan lo me